Do you ever just feel this way sometimes, especially at night watching these clunky movies? I understand. Here's a slightly different problem. In this case, we're asked what is the volume of a block of metal that has a mass of 125 grams and a density of 2.21 grams per centimeter cubed. Now we can already say that this is going to sink in water, right? Because it's greater than 1. And it's kind of massive, 125 grams. About a third of a can of soda is the mass of this thing. So let's see what we have here. So volume this time is what we seek. Mass is 125 grams. And the density is 2.21 grams per cubic centimeter. Remember our triangle. Density is mass over volume. So I want volume in this case. So that means I'm going to divide mass by the density. So volume is mass over density. Volume is 125 grams. The density is 2.21 grams per cubic centimeter. The volume is equal to 56.6 cubic centimeters. So that's how we use our triangle here, lads. That's how we manipulate our equations. Always show equations, or I'm sorry, variables over here. Always show our equations, and then we always show our work, including the units, and then we do our answer with the correct units as well. Now, one more. I'm going to put you on your own on this one. What is the mass of a block of metal that has a volume of 225 cubic centimeters and a density of 3.84 grams per centimeter cubed? You can pause the video at any time. As a matter of fact, I ask you to do that and do this in your notebook. All right? So, first get your variables. And there are your variables. Mass, volume, and density taken right from the problem. Next, we need an equation. So get your triangle. And once you have your triangle, get your formula. Remember now we're looking for mass. So what does that mean? Good. Mass is equal to density times the volume. Once you have that, now plug in your variables. Don't forget to include your units. And there's your equation. Mass is equal to 3.84 grams per cubic centimeter times 225 cubic centimeters. And just so you know, lads, cubic centimeters drop out, they cancel, and our units is grams, and mass is grams. So the mass of this thing is equal to 864 grams. And that's how we do it. I will see you in class tomorrow. Feel free to watch these all you want, all right? Take care.